Hey, it's Molly from What Molly Made. Today we are making a green juice recipe that you don't need an expensive juicer for. All you need is a blender, a Rossum Creations nut milk bag, and lots of green veggies and fruits. So let's make a tasty green juice recipe really quickly without a juicer. Start with a large blender and add 1.5 cups of fresh water to the bottom. Next, add 1 green apple. You can chop it so the slices fit in your blender better, but you don't have to slice and core it if you want to just cut it in half quickly. Then add 1 cup of fresh or canned pineapple. If you buy the can, make sure it doesn't have any added sugar. Then add half a cup of fresh parsley. Next, add 1 tablespoon of fresh mint leaves and 2 cups of cucumber. You can roughly chop this too, just so it fits better in your blender. Then add 2 stalks of celery, roughly chopped, and finish your greens with 2 to 3 cups of fresh kale. Add about 1 inch of fresh ginger. You can leave it unpeeled for this recipe. Then finish it off by adding the juice from 1 fresh lemon. Place your blender on the stand, close the lid, and blend your juice mixture on high until it's completely combined. It will have somewhat of a smoothie consistency. After it's done, remove the blender and get ready to strain your green juice. Have a large glass bowl handy. I really like to use an 8-quart glass measuring bowl for pouring easily at the end. The key to this recipe and getting a pulp-free green juice is the Rossum Creations nut milk bag. Rossum Creations is a charitable organization, and all of the nut milk bags are made responsibly by an amazing team in Bali. I love the Rossum Creations nut milk bag for juicing because it's designed with a culinary background in mind, and the seams are on the outside for easy cleanup. When you're ready to strain, situate the nut milk bag around the outside of the glass bowl. When you have it securely around the top, gently pour your green juice mixture into the bowl with the nut milk bag. Grab the edges of the nut milk bag and bring them together, then lift up slightly so the bag is hovering above the bottom of the bowl. Squeeze the green juice through the nut milk bag to separate the juice from the pulp. You can compost the pulp, or you can save it to make a healthy snack like homemade crackers. Pour yourself a glass and sip right away, or keep in a glass milk bottle in the fridge for a day or 2. Enjoy with a straw. It's so fresh from the mint and ginger and tastes really healthy and delicious. Thank you so much for making this simple green juice recipe with me. I hope you learned how to make this green juice without using a fancy juicer. All you need is a blender and a Rossum Creations nut milk bag, and you've got really healthy, yummy green juice for your mornings when you wake up. If you love this recipe as much as I do, don't forget to like and comment below, and hit the little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get a notification every time I make a new recipe. See you later.